Hello, Utility Geek Daniel here. We are going to be installing the valve for the washing machine. We have our valve here, 1/2-inch PEX line running down for the hot water. This is a Gator Bite valve. There's also a Shark Bite brand that's a roughly equivalent product. To use these on a PEX line, you have to take this little white stopper looking device that gets inserted into the end of the PEX. It's hollow and just provides support for the PEX line so that it doesn't get crushed and makes a smooth connection. You need to trim up the PEX line, make sure that it is a nice, smooth cut. Slide our little white plastic piece in there. And then we insert the line inside the connector as far as it will go and turn it around. And that's it. Done. Much easier to use than the crimp style connectors, but it's also more expensive. The reason that we got this one is actually because they didn't have the exact crimp style connector that we needed to connect up to the faucet. So we were forced to go with a more expensive option rather than waiting on parts to arrive. But it's significantly easier to use, and I'm glad we were able to show it to you.